Well, pressure is the word of the day. Welcome, you're watching the Smith Show here on NDTV Profit. I'm Harsh Saita, with me is Mihika Barve. And pressure on markets, Mihika. You're seeing the Nifty, which is down 1.5% as we speak, 1.7 now. We've slipped below 23,900 as well. We've given that up. In terms of contributors, far and few in terms of positive contributors. Let's pull those up. And we're at the day's low, of course, but just M&M, Kotak, Cipla, Tech Mahindra and IndusInd Bank are the top contributors in terms of positives. Other than that, you're seeing 45 stocks contributing negatively to the Nifty 50. So the breadth of the market not looking good at all. And let's pull up the advanced decline as well. That will give us better perspective on what's happening in the broader markets as well. The Nifty mid cap is down 1.6. The Nifty small cap is down 2.2%. And the breadth of the market, there you go, looking absolutely weak. Less than 300 stocks in the advances to nearly 1900 stocks in the decline, as you can see on your screen. And the Nifty mid-cap, small-cap also trading at their day's low. In terms of sectors as well, there's pressure across the board. You're seeing the Nifty bank probably a bit better off versus others. But outside of that, you look at the Nifty PSU bank, which is down 2.4%. So likely insulation coming in from the private banking side. That's on financials. But you look at all the other sectors, and if we can pull up the heat map to give us better context, pretty much all sectors in the red, 2.7% on Nifty Realty, 3.3% on Nifty Oil and Gas, 2% on Nifty Auto as well. Nifty IT slightly better off, 0.8 odd percent. So Nifty Private Bank, Nifty IT likely pockets where there is place to hide. But otherwise, you're seeing carnage across the board. 1% lower pretty much across all indices other than these two. In fact, the Nifty FMCG, let's pull that one up, should be an interesting one. 1.5% down, that one as well. So the defensives not spared even in this market. I'm looking at certain stocks as well. Something like a Zentek on the back of very strong numbers. We'll speak with management as well. So stay tuned on NDTV Profit for that chat. But Zentek is one of those stocks down 1% despite being higher and well higher at the start of trade today. But now a lot of those gains given away with the way in which markets have moved. Some other stocks which are in focus, something like an Azad Engineering, we'll speak with management right away. 10% higher, Gensol Engineering as well on the back of order wins. These two are buzzing. NMDC is up around 0.5% thereabouts on the back of production numbers coming through. But outside of that, you're seeing Hero Moto down 5%. Auto sales numbers coming through. Sun Pharma down 5% as well. Coal India down 4%. Among the large caps too, the carnage seems to be really deep. So you're seeing a bit of a sell-off across the board. In terms of quickly looking at and zooming in onto a couple of indices which we discussed. One is the Nifty Private Bank. Let's pull up the constituents there, because there seems to be that pocket which seems to be doing not as bad and seems to be in some form outperforming in this market, 0.8 odd percent lower. And you're also seeing some, there you go, those are the constituents. So AU, Federal Bank likely in the green, but outside of that, you're seeing red across the board. Flattish on an HDFC Bank. ICICI Bank down 1%, SBI down 1.7% thereabouts. So that's one pocket I wanted to highlight. The other one was the Nifty IT pack. If we can pull the constituents there as well and try and see which ones are the key drag. There you go. The Tech Mahindra insulating a bit of the pressure. But outside of that, you're seeing 1% to 1.5% down on a TCS, L&T Tech, Emphasis, Wipro, all of them down. Beaten quite a bit, some of those large caps.